At first, I am very thankful to you all, those who are watching this YouTube channel of Vishwamanusha. I am inviting to all students and businessmen and all human beings to join this Vishwamanusha. I am giving the information through this YouTube channel. The corporate office of Vishwamanusha is in Ranchi district, Jharkhand state, India country. According to my concept and according to my thought, all human beings are social animal. If our humanity is on, then animality is gone. If our animality is on, then humanity is gone. This is the real truth. This is the real truth of life, and this is the big fact. And each and every persons of entire world are playing their major roles to build up their society. All because this is the human nature. But we can watch in easy way, we can observe in easy way, according to the personality and according to their knowledge and according to their will. People plays two types of roles. One's roles becomes positive and another role becomes negative. If we place positive roles for our society, for human being, then that means we are doing constructive work. We are creating and we are contributing ourselves to create good world. But in other side, if we are playing negative role and if we think for ourselves only, then that means we are playing negative role. It doesn't matter where we are living. The main fact is we all are the part of human society. And as far as my thought and according to the demands of human being, we should play positive role. I am not saying don't think about yourself, don't do for yourself. Think about yourself. Do for yourself. But this is not first thing and this is not last thing. We should play positive role to create good world, to generate good world, and as far as I think and I hope all will. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, and as far as I hope all you will join this YouTube channel and you will join Vishwamanusha. Jai Vishwa, Jai Mano, Jai Bharat.